Our planet Earth, a tiny blue dot in the vastness of space, is but one world orbiting an average star. Our sun is just one of billions within the Milky Way galaxy, a swirling city of stars stretching across hundreds of thousands of light years. But the Milky Way itself is just one galaxy, among billions upon billions in the observable universe. The sheer scale of the cosmos is almost impossible to grasp. With so many stars and likely even more planets, the possibility of other life emerging somewhere out there seems incredibly high. Could we be alone in this vast cosmic ocean? Or are there other beings, perhaps even intelligent civilizations scattered across the universe? The universe is a pretty big place. If it's just us, seems like an awful waste of space. These words, spoken by the late astronomer Carl Sagan, perfectly encapsulate the profound question that drives our search for extraterrestrial life. Are we alone? This simple question has captivated humanity for centuries, inspiring countless works of science fiction, philosophical debates, and scientific inquiries. The possibility of life beyond Earth, of encountering another intelligent species, is a tantalizing prospect. It speaks to our innate curiosity about the universe and our place within it. For decades, scientists have been actively searching for signs of extraterrestrial intelligence. Organizations like the SETI Institute, or Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, scan the cosmos for radio signals or other electromagnetic emissions that might indicate the presence of a technologically advanced civilization. We've also sent out our own messages into space, hoping that someone, somewhere, might be listening. The Arecibo message, a radio signal beamed towards a distant star cluster in 1974, contained basic information about humanity and our planet. It's a long shot, but even the slightest chance of contact fuels our desire to connect with another intelligent species. Despite our best efforts, the universe has remained stubbornly silent. This silence, juxtaposed against the overwhelming odds of life existing elsewhere, forms the crux of the Fermi Paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously posed the question, "Where is everybody?" The paradox highlights the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of any observable evidence. Fermi reasoned that given the vast age and size of the universe, even if intelligent life is relatively rare, there should be civilizations far more advanced than our own. Some of these civilizations should have developed interstellar travel, making it statistically likely that they would have colonized at least a portion of the galaxy by now. Yet we see no evidence of their presence. Section 5. Where is everybody? Exploring the possibilities. The Fermi Paradox has no easy answers, but it has spawned numerous hypotheses and theories. Perhaps advanced civilizations are deliberately hiding from us, adhering to a zoo hypothesis where they observe us from afar without interfering. Maybe interstellar travel is far more difficult than we imagine, limited by insurmountable technological or physical barriers. It's also possible that the window for intelligent life to overlap is incredibly small. Civilizations might rise and fall in cosmic blinks of an eye, destroyed by their own technology or natural disasters before they have a chance to make contact. Perhaps we are among the first intelligent species to emerge in our galaxy, still in the early stages of cosmic evolution. Another intriguing possibility is that our current methods of searching for extraterrestrial intelligence are simply too limited. We might be looking for the wrong signs, failing to recognize forms of communication or technology vastly different from our own. Section 6. A lonely species? The implications of silence. The possibility that we are alone in the universe is a sobering thought. It would mean that humanity is an even more precious and unique phenomenon than we ever imagined. The responsibility for preserving life and intelligence in the cosmos would fall solely on our shoulders. However, even if we are currently alone, it doesn't necessarily mean that life hasn't existed elsewhere or won't exist in the future. The universe is constantly evolving, and new possibilities for life to emerge are always arising. Section 7. The Great Filter, a Cosmic Hurdle. The Fermi Paradox also raises the unsettling question of the Great Filter. This hypothetical barrier represents a critical step in the evolution of life from simple organisms to advanced civilizations. It could be a rare event like the emergence of complex cells or a technological hurdle that most civilizations fail to overcome, leading to their demise. If the Great Filter exists, its implications are profound. If it lies in our past, it means we are incredibly lucky to have overcome it. If it lies in our future, it suggests that there might be a universal limit to how far intelligent life can advance before succumbing to self-destruction or other existential threats. Section 8. The search continues. Despite the Fermi Paradox and the lack of definitive answers, the search for extraterrestrial life continues. Each new discovery, from exoplanets and habitable zones to the potential for life on moons within our own solar system, fuels our curiosity and pushes the boundaries of our understanding. The question of whether or not we are alone in the universe is one of the most profound and enduring mysteries of our time. The answer, whatever it may be, has the potential to fundamentally change our perspective on our place in the cosmos and the future of life itself. Until then, we continue to listen, to explore, and to wonder.